So we're out here, just rode up the H2. Now we're heading out to the North Shore. Figured I'd start my vlog out here because the freeway sucks. I always feel like I'm yelling in it when I'm on the freeway, so decided not to today. Looks like our dude's caught up, so that's good. Seeing if this 30K will work with mesh and being on the GP10 at the same time. Never tried it before like this, so I'm not really sure what's up with it. We are just getting together, little Motovlogger collaboration ride, just to say what's up, chill, kind of promote ourselves, and then help support the community here on Oahu, just kind of promote each other as well. So it should be pretty cool. Looking forward to seeing the North Shore. I haven't been up here in a little bit now. It's been a little bit because I've been busy with work. Life is just crazy, but you all know how that goes, so here we are. Alright, I'm going to try to switch over in the mesh, see what happens. Public mode mesh. Y'all on here? Or no? Oh, okay. Little mini wheelie right there. So some of these bikes out here, man, they got loud exhaust. We got two S1000Rs. I think one of them has a CRT or the SC Project, that little short can on it. Man, that thing is loud and it pops like hell. That thing's crazy. I'm kind of glad I don't have that because I couldn't even imagine riding with that thing the whole time. Yeah, this shit is just loud as hell. So if you don't know, now you know, but the North Shore is only one lane each direction, so if there's ever traffic out here, man, you're stuck. If there's like a surf competition, there might be some traffic too, so if you ever do come out here on the weekends, make sure you either come early in the morning so you can get there, get a spot to park, and then just watch the surfers, or just coming out here and enjoying the waves, which is pretty cool. Getting in, going swimming, enjoying the water. There's a pretty cool hike over here. I think it's called Waimanalo Falls, if I'm not mistaken. It's pretty dope. You do have to pay to go see it, but it's literally a waterfall that you can go and swim in. The water was a little chilly because it was like fresh water or whatnot, just run off the rain. It was 70 degrees one time we went, which actually sounds pretty warm, but it was a little chilly compared to the temperature outside. But it was nice and refreshing after you got there. Yeah, just enjoying this Sunday afternoon with, I think there's like 4 or 5 other motovloggers here. What I'll do is I'll leave a link in the description so you can check them out. You know, feel free to support not only myself, but also these other guys and girls that are out here doing it. Because the community is only as good as we're going to make it. I know a lot of you motovloggers or YouTubers say that, you know, YouTube algorithms are messing with them and stuff like that. So just do what you can. Drop a sub, leave a like, you know, comment, say what's up, check in with them. Just check out their videos, see how it's going, you know what I mean? You can do. Most of us are just doing this for fun anyways, so It's just the joy of riding. I don't know any of these people here, but we all met today. You know, shook their hands, met them, said what's up. We did get a chance to talk a little bit before we departed, but I just now started filming, so didn't want to get too much about the freeway, because the freeway isn't really that exciting here. But man, just look at that view going downhill into the North Shore, and it's pretty clear today. Could be a little bit clearer. I'd say over here to my left, you may not be able to see it, but there's actually pineapple fields where they're growing different stages of pineapple, which is awesome. Love pineapple. It's good. But yeah, I'll just let you all enjoy this this ride down into the North Shore, and just hanging out with me and the rest of our Oahu Motovlog fam. My question is, can you record using the GP10 and the Sena 30K in mesh through your GoPro? I should have done a little research before I came out here. I have no clue, to be honest. So I'm just swapping back and forth. Hopefully it works, or else part of it won't have some audio. My second camera that goes right in front of my dash is down. So I put it on my bike, left the garage, got some gas, pulled out on the freeway to head to Pearl City, and it doesn't work anymore. I looked down, I noticed it was turned off, tried to turn it back on. I let the thing charge for like 2 days or something like that. So the battery may be just done on it. It's a GoPro Hero, like the original version, so it's the one that doesn't come out of the case. It's not a battery you can swap out. But I am pretty disappointed that I don't have that today, which sucks. So the guy that put this together is Life on Wheels. You should definitely check his out. Like I said, I'll have the link in the description below for his channel. Check him out, show him some love. But he's the one that put this together. He was like, man, I know we got some motovloggers out here. Nobody's really active with it. So he set up a meet. He was like, hey, let's do it. But not only that, let's open it up to everybody. So not everybody here is recording right now, but it's nice to have the opportunity to just kind of chill out, meet some other motovloggers, like I said, and just hang out with them. Man, so I got my annual service done, and the dealership was like, yeah, our computer's down. We can't even reset your light right now. So, oh man, looks like we got service. Or we got traffic. Got service. Not. So what are we gonna do? But yeah, man, so I got my service done, and they can't even turn off the service light, which is pretty annoying, if you ask me. Put up my visor, because it's gonna get hot up in here right now. We all gotta keep enough room between us to continue the pace without stopping.
Yeah, somebody's going slower than they're supposed to.
I see a boat in the front. I think that's what's causing the traffic. Oh man, it sucks.
Yeah, getting hot.
Are we allowed to hit the shoulder lane?
I don't know.
Was that a no?
I don't know. I'm not sure. I've never ridden on the shoulder before. I know they passed the law, but it's only on certain streets that you can do that. And
really?
Yeah, like I said, I'm not familiar with it either.
Yo.
I know that we're working on patching it because it's like, it's for motorcycle safety too.
Yeah.
But
I mean, we're gonna go slow. Oh shit, there's cops there. Nah, don't do it.
Oh yeah, I see the
I
cops.
see cops. Hell no.
Definitely not.
Forget that.
Would've
There's
got
cops
fucked
right
up.
there.
Yeah.
I would have been the first one to get a ticket. Oh hell no. Put that on the blog.
Nathan was about to wave at a scooter. He's like, no, it's a scooter. He doesn't rate.
You can do it anyways. It's 2 wheels.
Oh, they're giving away free tickets to a concert. You guys want one? I think it's called Jailhouse.
Free tickets.
Free tickets. Free free ticket to the jailhouse.
Opening Bandits Court. Man, so we got split up from the group. I don't even know what I'm recording, what I'm not recording. I guess today isn't really about the, this is about more riding rather than filming. But, got split up. Had to do some lane filtering. Had to do some passing. Some zigzagging. These roads back here on certain parts are terrible, man, so I don't know what's gonna be in this video or not in the video really, but this is a motovlog collaboration ride. Just trying to do our thing out here. Make sure you go ahead and like the video, subscribe. Also go ahead and check out the other people that are riding with us today. I'll have their links, their channel in the description below. Hopefully you guys have the time to check them out. Leave them a like, leave them a sub. At least the roads are nice now. 808 Moto Lifestyles.
I can hear my bike over your intercom.
You can hear it through my mic. I wasn't sure if you could or couldn't. I have my visor open though. Well, as far as the North Shore goes, I've never ridden this far. I've always stopped and turned around at a certain point. Usually right about Turtle Bay, the golf course sits right there. We passed it a little while back. But yeah, so this is nice, real nice. What is up, YouTube? Back again. I don't even know if you guys can hear our mesh conversations or not. We've been separated from the pack. We're not really sure where we're going, but look at this beach. Absolutely gorgeous. I don't even want to try it, say it, because I'm probably going to pronounce it wrong regardless. So we ended up getting separated, reconnected, found ourselves again, figured it out, and now we are headed up the infamous H3. It's probably been on several different movies. It looks lovely. Always a great view. Luckily it's not raining. Sometimes it's raining up here. As you can tell, the clouds are up in the mountains here. So yeah, that's what we're up to right now. Just chilling. The rest of the group is up there. We're all ended up splitting off, cutting off, going our separate ways. There's some pretty dope spray painting, some mural stuff down there. Hopefully you guys can see that. Maybe, maybe not. Let's get over in front of this car here and do my thing in the tunnel. But yeah, this is our motovlog collaboration ride. Hopefully you liked it. If you did, go ahead and leave a big like, big old thumbs up, and make sure to share it. Go ahead and throw any comments below, or you know, whatever you feel like doing. Go ahead and subscribe. Appreciate the love. Y'all have a good one, and I'm out.
Right by yourself there, buddy.
Yeah, I was trying to wait for y'all, but it wasn't working out.
They hit that throttle.
I'm on that cruise control, bro.
All right, man.
Later, dude.